microwave weapon. My batteries are dying, but look at the microwave weapon right here on the end of the street. It's too bad my batteries are dying out. Look, it's pretty high too. It's alerting me if I get closer. Earlier, just a minute ago, it's telling me to get out of the area. It's just literally microwaving people. Glad I found this one. Starting to get higher and higher. It's never been this high before. That means they turned it up. Usually there's hardly any here. Usually there'll hardly be any, so that means that they can turn these fuckers up, like these microwaves. They can turn the waves up, but look at that.